Did you know by age of 7, your child's money habits are already formed? Yes, 7. And this is based on the research from University of Cambridge. And when do we generally talk about money with our kids? Maybe when they turn 18, or after their first salary, or maybe after the first financial mistake. And then we say, बच्चे को पैसा संभालना नहीं आता. But the real question is, did we ever taught them to do? And that is the exact reason why today I'm going to share simple and practical system with exact allocation percentages and investment exposure and pocket money guideline, which you can start using this week. And stay till the end because I'll also tell how to get the access to free child money toolkit which we have created for parents. Stay tuned. You might already know the famous study from Stanford University, which is a marshmallow experiment. Children who had delayed gratification had better life outcomes. The skill here wasn't intelligence, it was self control. And money is a game of delayed gratification. Save today, freedom tomorrow. Invest today, and security tomorrow. But in today's world, our children are growing up in the environment of instant UPI, one click Amazon, 10 minutes delivery, and easy EMI culture. If we do not train them with the patience at home, market is always ready to train them with the impulse outside. So we reward marks, we reward achievements, but we rarely reward financial responsibility. We say पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते, and we also don't show how money actually grows. We hide bank discussions, we hide our investments, and we also hide our budgeting stress. And then we expect maturity. Financial independence doesn't start with salary, it starts with the structure. Now, let's talk practical, no theory. Let's talk about a system. First, the four box method. Instead of just spend, save, and give, I recommend four categories: spend, save, invest, and give. Because saving and investment are not the same. Saving is for the short term or for a specific goal, and investment is for the long term growth. These are the recommended allocation based on the age. For age 5 to 9, spend should not be more than 50%, save 30%, invest 10%, and give 10%. At this age, habit building is the key. Age 10 to 14, spend 40%, save 30%, invest 20%, and give 10%. Now introduce the investment thinking. Age 15 to 18, spend 30%, save 20%, invest 40%, and give 10%. Now focus on long term wealth mindset. You can adjust slightly, but structure is non negotiable because structure builds discipline. Children believe what they see. Show them SIP app or show them this simple Excel SIP calculation, wherein if we save 500 per month at 12% per annum return, which is 6,000 per year, in 10 years it becomes more than 1 lakh. Explain simply, this is compounding, money earning money. You don't need complex financial language to explain them. Just show them growth. When children see money growing, saving becomes more exciting. The 24-hour rule, and I personally feel this is very powerful. Whenever your child says, I want something right now, don't say yes immediately or don't even say no angrily. Just say, let's wait for 24 hours. This trains the decision making. After 24 hours, the emotions cool down and logics takes over. This one single habit protects future adults from impulse behavior, credit card overspending, debt traps, and social comparison spending. Fourth, fix pocket money, no rescue policy. Give fixed weekly pocket money. Simple rule: if it finishes early, we will wait till next week. No emergency top up, because if parent comes to rescue repeatedly, children learn that someone else will fix my money mistakes. Please understand, safe discomfort builds strong adults. It is always better to have budgeting lessons at 10 than loan lessons at 25. Fifth, Sunday money meeting. Every Sunday, 10 to 15 minutes. Just ask, where did the money go? What did you save? Where did you invest? And what would you change next week? No scolding, no judgment, just awareness. Money should be normal conversation at home, not the secret topic. Earn before upgrade rule. Let's say if your child wants to buy 5,000 gadget, you say we will spend 50% and you save 50%. Now this will teach them efforts, waiting, ownership, and most important thing, value. Free things are consumed and earned things are always respected. So teach them. Don't raise kids who says Papa card de do. Raise kids who ask, is this expense worth it? Don't just prepare them for exams, but also prepare them for expenses. Financial strength is not about being rich. It is about being responsible. और ये ट्रेनिंग घर से ही स्टार्ट होती है. Now here's something important. Giving pocket money is not bad, but giving pocket money without any structure can reduce the discipline. Too much money too early can increase the dependency. So in my next video, I'm going to cover the detailed pocket money rule by age from 5 to 18. In that video, we are going to cover exactly how much to give by age, weekly versus monthly, what works better, when to increase, what conditions to attach, and how to convert pocket money into saving plus investing training. If you are serious about building financially strong kids, then please don't miss that. We have also created a free child money starter toolkit for parents. Inside it, we have covered printable 4-box template, age-wise allocation guide, SIP explanation sheet, weekly money meeting checklist, and pocket money tracker, and 24-hour rule reminder sheet. If you want this toolkit, please comment SmartKit and subscribe to the channel, and we will share the link soon with you to download the same. Let's build together a generation that just doesn't earn money but also knows how to manage it.